Sulapac develops bio-based plastic replacement materials that are sustainable, beautiful, and functional. Like nature. With our innovative material for cosmetic pencil barrels, you choose perfection with purpose. Sulapac Flow 1.8 protects the advanced formulations inside, while respecting nature outside. It provides easy sharpenability, smooth application, and a low carbon footprint, leaving no permanent microplastics behind. Engineered for beauty, brought to you by no1 Cosmetics. Create a beauty ritual that honors your brand and our planet.